تلخيص ولا أروع لبودكاست كيف تنجح العلاقات لياسر الحزيمي وباللغة الإنجليزية. Episode 10, Season 1. Let's get started.
Healthy relationships are key to personal and professional success, and they require balance, understanding, and mutual respect. Relationships thrive when kindness is combined with firmness, creating a space where both parties feel valued and understood. Let's explore how to achieve this harmony step by step.
The foundation of any successful relationship is communication. Clear and honest conversations help build trust. Instead of assuming what others think, ask questions and listen attentively. Misunderstandings can be avoided by expressing your thoughts openly yet respectfully.
Self-awareness plays a crucial role in relationships. Knowing your strengths, weaknesses, and emotional triggers allows you to approach others with confidence. Reflecting on your own behavior can help you make better choices when interacting with loved ones.
Distinguish between self-love and arrogance. Self-love means valuing yourself without diminishing others. It is about setting boundaries, knowing your worth, and staying humble. Arrogance, on the other hand, can push people away and harm relationships.
Empathy is essential, and try to see situations from the other person's perspective. This helps you respond with compassion rather than judgment. Empathy strengthens emotional connections and promotes harmony, even during disagreements.
Every relationship requires effort. Small gestures like saying thank you or I appreciate you can go a long way. Recognizing the other person's contributions fosters gratitude and prevents feelings of neglect or resentment.
Social media can impact relationships both positively and negatively. While it offers opportunities to connect, it can also create unrealistic expectations, limit comparisons, and focus on real-life connections that matter most.
Set healthy boundaries in relationships. Boundaries are not barriers but guidelines that help maintain mutual respect. Clearly communicate your limits and respect those of others to avoid unnecessary conflict.
Conflict is inevitable, but it doesn't have to harm relationships. Approach disagreements with an open mind. Focus on solving the problem, not attacking the person. Calm discussions often lead to constructive solutions.
Learn to forgive. Holding on to grudges can poison relationships. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or condoning hurtful behavior, but it allows you to move forward and rebuild trust.
Spend quality time together. Shared activities, conversations, or even moments of silence strengthen bonds. Prioritize meaningful interactions over distractions to deepen your connection.
Avoid being overly critical. Constant negativity can damage self-esteem and erode trust. Instead, provide constructive feedback that focuses on solutions rather than problems.
Celebrate each other's successes. Genuine support and encouragement show that you care about the other person's growth. Avoid jealousy and embrace their achievements as shared victories.
Patience is key in building strong relationships. Understand that everyone has flaws and makes mistakes. Accepting imperfections and allowing room for growth creates a nurturing environment.
Respect individuality. While relationships involve togetherness, they also require personal space. Allowing independence within a partnership fosters trust and prevents feelings of suffocation.
Learn from past experiences. Reflect on what worked and what didn't in previous relationships. These lessons can guide you in creating healthier connections moving forward.
Recognize the signs of a toxic relationship. If you feel consistently drained, disrespected, or unsafe, it might be time to reevaluate. Surround yourself with relationships that uplift and inspire you.
Effective relationships are a journey, not a destination. They require continuous effort, understanding, and growth. By nurturing these qualities, you can create a foundation that lasts a lifetime.
Ultimately, the success of any relationship depends on mutual respect, shared values, and open communication. When both parties are committed to growth and understanding, relationships can flourish and withstand challenges.
Building successful relationships requires self-awareness, empathy, and effective communication. Balancing kindness with firmness fosters mutual respect. Setting boundaries, resolving conflicts calmly, and practicing forgiveness are vital. Focus on quality time, celebrate each other's achievements, and avoid comparisons on social media. Healthy relationships thrive through patience, individuality, and continuous effort.